Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, today we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin, some other coins, some little update. Now, this video won't be too long because I am under the weather, and you know what I'm saying. Energy's low. Just been chilling in bed all day, and just Anyways, last time we talked about Bitcoin and the markets, we pretty much talked about how I believed that the bottom is pretty much in for Bitcoin, right? I do believe this is the start of a reversal. And now I'm just getting more and more data. I believe it's still the same thing. So last time I talked about how we went into this order block candle over here and how pretty much I'm going to take a trade and play into it. I kept saying that the $61,000 area for the closing on a weekly is absolutely crucial, right? We do not overall want to be closing below this area over here, right? Um, Now I will say if we do close 1 week below it just a little bit, it won't be alarming too much, just because the next week is NFP, which is like very big American news event, right? And that is actually what I believe will be the reason why Bitcoin will shoot up a lot. Now, the details are always before the news events happen. It just, when the news events happen, it's an excuse to pretty much pump price massively up. Okay. So, anyways, why I believe we have pretty much more confirmation that the bottom is in. Well, let's look at this. Here we can see, just based off the candle closes, it's pretty much a double bottom. Now, we haven't really seen that anywhere else prior. Okay. Number two, if we break it down a little bit more, right? Like I said before, that pretty much, if I'm on the brush, this order block over here, right? This candle went into this one, and then this one went into this one. So when usually something like that happens, it's an indication of a bottom, and we're getting that right now on the time frame. Now, what's even crazier is that on a smaller time frame, we went into this order block here on, on a 10-minute, on a 5-minute, and you can just see right after that, we had a small rally to the upside. Now, overall, I don't think Bitcoin's going to make too many strides over the next, couple of days. I do think it's going to start going up, maybe to around 61.5 to $62,000. But I do think when the big news event comes out on next Friday, that we will have the explosion, right? I personally took a trade in Bitcoin, and I'll probably risk another 0.5% to 1%. Let me show you guys very, very quickly. All right, but here you can see not NFP, right? Unemployment rates. It's a big indicator, but like I said, the details are always in the charts before. So you can see, right, we have a buy 1%, which we're risking $2,000. And right now we're up a little bit, nothing too crazy. Swap did eat me a little bit, so that does kind of suck. But hopefully it's not going to eat us too much over the next couple of days. And I will be pretty much holding this trade up until, I could hold it on forever and ever, but I'm not that type of person. I probably will cash around $66,000 for a 3% gain. Now, you heard that doom, right? I wonder actually why I did that. There we go, because I should have been able to do that. Okay, there you go. So yeah, so take profit. For example, if I cash out over here, you could see on the left side, 1,200 USD dollars. So to be honest, we should be breaking this. I should just honestly hold it. But at the moment, we're going to place it up here, which would pretty much be, I can't see because of the whole thing. So we're just doing it right below here. 1750. And if we take this one, no, same one. Okay, so I have to do like this. Okay. So take profit. Let's just do $65,000. And there we go. Just move them apart. So this one around 5 grand. This one around 1,200. So pretty good profits overall. Right. Looks pretty good. Like I said, Bitcoin is pretty much going to hold down here, which means everything is going to pump, right? Turbo going back down to prices over here. which I believe will hold. If it doesn't, next level is going to be this area over here. And Solana, right, for me, it's a break, has a double top at the moment, but I do believe that if it's going to have some type of retracement, it won't be too much, and it's going to be consolidating more up until the news event. Now, pretty much the same thing is going to happen with all the coins because the markets move together. Obviously, some coins have bigger explosions at different times, but overall, they all move together. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.